Can we get into this bob wig from ISEE Hair? This is from their Princess collection. Yes, this is one of their MCAP wigs, and it is definitely a whole vibe. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit popping like, woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? This is a Yaki straight bob wig, and I'm loving the texture of it. It still moves. It definitely has a lot of movement to it. It's not stiff whatsoever, but the texture of this just makes it feel amazing, and it looks amazing as well. It's just not that silky straight that, you know, can sometimes look a little fake on us, especially in a bob. Like when that bob is super silky, we know it's a wig. It looks good, don't get me wrong, but it's like, girl, it's a wig. This right here has nice texture to it, and it has a great flow to it when you just run your fingers through this hair, y'all. So freaking cute. I think this is perfect for summertime because the hair is not super long. It's not really on your neck in the back. And a bob can just elevate your entire look and outfit, to be honest. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. I would like to thank ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. And if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous wig right here, y'all already know what to do. Definitely keep watching. Today I'm super excited because y'all know I love ISEE Hair, and I have one of their MCAP wigs from their Princess collection, and this is a new style for me, so I'm super excited to be trying this out for you guys. MCAP wigs are definitely superior when it comes to the glueless wig game, so y'all already know what the packaging looks like. I've showed so many different ISEE Hair wigs on my YouTube channel, but their wigs always arrive inside of that shopping bag and then this super cute box. It says ISEE Hair Princess Collection, and their packaging is always so nice. It definitely gives luxury. Here is the wig. It's nicely packaged inside. This is a bob unit, y'all, so it is a shorter wig. I have been loving those shorter wig styles as of late, especially for summertime. And as always, it does come with a few freebies. It comes with this sleeping cap, 6 pairs of lashes, 2 wig caps, 1 HD wig cap, and 1 regular deluxe wig cap. And it comes with extra accessories. If you lose any of the accessories that are inside of the wig, they come inside of here, like some wig combs and an adjustable elastic strap. Here is the wig. It is 10 inches long, and it is a Yaki straight bob wig. It does come inside of a wig net. Here is the texture. Look. It's moving. Like, this is not a stiff bob right here. She is definitely moving, which is what we want when we put a bob on, right? Here is a close-up of the hairline. As you guys know, this is an MCAP wig. So it does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It is a 9 by 6 inch HD lace closure. It comes with pre-cut lace, and it comes with bleach knots. This particular wig does have the kinkier edges on it, as I can see, which looks very nice and natural, y'all. I cannot wait to install this bad boy. And here is the inside of the cap. As you can see, it does come with this card, so you know that baby is brand new. And then here is the 9 by 6 inch lace closure on the underside. As you can see, the lace has been already pre-cut in a zigzag motion, so you do not need to cut off the lace. It is ready to wear. It has 2 removable wig combs on the sides. It has 1 removable wig comb in the back. It has this adjustable elastic band strap that has silicone writing on it that says wear and go, so you know you're getting an ISEE Hair wig. It always has this red strap that says wear and go in silicone, and then it also has this dip right here for your ears to sit comfortably behind the wig, and that is on both sides of the wig, y'all. So I always apply my foundation underneath the lace, but I want to go ahead and put the wig on so you can see what it looks like without putting the foundation on first, so you can see what I mean. Like, you could definitely wear a wig without putting foundation under the lace, but for me, it just gives it that extra natural look. So here we go. They make these wigs so nice and snug. Like that lace is definitely going to sit flat on your head. No issues whatsoever. This is why I love the M cap wigs, y'all. But as you can see, the lace is definitely blending, but you can see like the very edge of it because I have a deeper skin tone. If you have a lighter skin tone, your wigs might blend in without applying any foundation whatsoever. Because I have a deeper skin tone, I always apply my foundation under the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back to show y'all the difference. So here is what the lace looks like after I've applied my foundation underneath it. As you can see, it does look a lot more natural, y'all. And then you see these kinky edges on the wig as well. That definitely makes the wig look more natural too. But I love the texture of this hair. It feels really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and pin this hair up. It's short, so it's kind of hard to pin it up. And I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse just on this front area here. And we're just gonna tap it in to the lace and these baby hairs in the front. So next I'm gonna take this elastic melting band and I'm gonna use this across the entire lace just to melt that down further. Let's go ahead and take these clips down in the meantime. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb out this hair. Let's go ahead and part the hair down the middle here. Then I'm going to take this wax stick and just focus it on the roots because you do not want to make your bob stiff, and this will make it stiff. But I just want the top of the hair to be nice and laid. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and we're just going to lay the top of this wig down. I'm not going to use any hairspray. Next, I'm going to take my Chi Original Flat Iron and we're going to use this to just add a little bit of a bump on the ends of this hair. I don't want to bump it too much, but I do want there to be just a little bump on the ends, not exactly straight. Back is thicker, so that's going to be a little harder to curl. Just flick that wrist and you got it, baby. Okay. All right, let's do the same on this side. So cute, and I still have the elastic band on, so I'm gonna let this sit for another 5 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, let's go ahead and take this elastic melting band off. Okay, so it definitely melted those baby hairs down just a little bit more, y'all. And then you can just pull those baby hairs a little further down. If you've been debating whether to get a bob wig in a Yaki straight texture, I highly would recommend doing so. So the last step is I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. I'm just using this liquid concealer here. I normally use the MAC Studio Finish Concealer, but I'm using a different one. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, and I'm going to just apply this in the parting area. And then if you want that parting area to look extra crispy, you can go ahead and go in with a little bit of mascara just to cover up any concealer that is close to the parting area up here, y'all. So I know I said I wasn't doing hairspray, but I just want to put this on top of the wig to tame any flyaways. This is the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. And it just sets that mascara in place as well. So just do this on the top. Don't do this on the whole hair, or it will be stiff, baby. Let me know if you would rock this wig in the comment section down below. If you're interested in a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing in this video, I have a full get ready with me. I literally show every single step. It's not sped up. There are no cuts. I didn't cut out anything. I show you from start to finish how I do this entire face. If you're interested in checking out that course, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. And if you would like to purchase this gorgeous bob M-cap wig from ISEE Hair, definitely check the description box down below for all links and information on this wig. And if you haven't already checked out my latest YouTube video, don't stop now. Go ahead and keep the party going.